My name is Robert Johnson, and I am the team lead for Beech Parenting Center. We are a social services agency offering school-based services to students and family here at Mount Washington. We have a therapist and we have a CPST person, and they both carry a caseload of students who have a range of emotional, mental health, behavioral health needs. Also, we have a family peer support person who provides parenting and walks alongside parents and really entire families who need assistance in an array of areas in their lives. So whether it's employment, whether it's housing, food needs, financial, education, we offer a lot of supports for families in different areas. We do social skills groups for some of our population of kids who are struggling the most. So sometimes there may be a specific grade level that's having issues in the school. Maybe there's need for conflict resolution among specific groups of kids who are friends. We also offer groups. An example is this year we did offer a preschool group because the preschool did have, with the COVID pandemic, just being in school, not being in school, being virtual, it was just a very hard transition for them. So we offered preschool groups to help some of the preschoolers cope. So in a nutshell, that's what we do, and usually I get to meet every parent either by phone or mostly by face-to-face, whether it's at dismissal or during arrival or during parent-teacher conferences. We usually have a table out front and we meet people and we talk to you about what we do, and you get to know me and I get to know you, and just so everyone knows that we exist and that we're here to support your needs. So I look forward to meeting everyone and face-to-face soon.
Hi, I'm Lisa Sumner. I'm the Family Peer Support Provider for Beech Parenting Center here at Mount Washington School. And I'm here to support you, the parents, during this very stressful time. I offer connections to community resources, and I also use the Beech Acres intentional, strength-based, mindful program for parenting to help you to encourage your children and support them and to help you achieve your family goals.